Hi everyone, my name is Tierra and I did my website over Tierra Steps Applying to Law School. On the homepage, I did a brief introduction, just giving people a warm welcome and letting them know what they'll be expecting from my site. On the second page, I did a biography all about me, just a little background of who I am, where I come from, what I inspire to be, a little bit about me. On my third page, I have resources. I listed some websites, and some prep courses, and also some law school admission websites. So all of that can be found there. On my law school requirements, I listed a few requirements needed and needed to apply to law school. And then on my more page, I have additional tips. Then I have technology projects. I did a little thematic show of pretty much pictures showing how to get through law school or the process of applying to law school. You study the book, the LSAT prep, listen to their professor teach about the LSAT, and then eventually they'll take the LSAT and then they have to apply to law school. They have the law school interview, and then they will get their acceptance letter upon determination that they completed or met the requirements to be accepted. This is just a picture of the law school. People go wherever. These are the different books that someone can be using in law school. And then after 4 years, they'll graduate. So then I have evaluations of websites, other people's websites. Then I have more. Oh, I did a mobile app, Remind 101. It's just an app that people can use. It's like another GroupMe. This one, you can remind your students, like teachers can send, like say if they don't want to give their number out, they can send their students a mass email or a mass text messages reminding them about any upcoming test quiz or any missing assignments that they may have. It's free of charge. They can use it in classrooms and for personal uses. And yes. And then I have a PLE, personal learning environment / network, all of those. I have my Apple Teacher certification, and yes, that's my website. Thank you.